Most of us often get confused with these three terms: computer organization, computer architecture, and computer design. Are they all same or different? Welcome to my channel Tech Curious. They all look and sound similar and synonymous, but they are not same. Let us first understand what computer organization is. Computer organization is all about how the functional units of a computer are organized and how the subsystems are interconnected to perform their operations. Functional units, we already know, are input-output unit, memory unit, and processor unit. Input-output unit consists of input and output devices. Memory unit is a storage device, and CPU consists of ALU as well as control unit. Hence, based upon the functionality and interconnection of a computer, the computer organization can be broadly classified into three categories: CPU organization, memory organization, and input-output organization. Mostly, computer organization deals with the hardware organization and its interfacing. In CPU organization, we will be learning about arithmetic logic unit in detail. Similarly, the control unit, register organization, cache memory, primary memory, the measurements and calculations of clock, speed, and performance, and understand about instruction cycle as well as bus structures. When we discuss about the memory organization, we will be understanding how the memory is organized hierarchically. In this pyramidal structure, registers are placed on the top of the pyramid, and similarly, the largest memory space, that is tertiary memory, is on the base. We will be also learning the meaning as well as the classification of cache memory, main memory, as well as secondary memory. Let us now understand about computer architecture. Computer architecture is similar to architecture in civil engineering. While manufacturing a computer architect must describe a set of methods and rules for making a computer work efficiently. Computer architecture comes first and mostly includes computer organization and its implementation, functionality of the units, logic design and structuring, utilization of resources, and instruction set architecture, that is both RISC and CISC, that is reduced instruction set computing as well as complex instruction set computing. Apart from that, it also includes microarchitecture that decides the data processing and storage elements, and also it describes about the control path for both data as well as instructions. In general, computer architecture can be defined as a blueprint of a computer system design. It consists of microprocessor or CPU, microcontrollers, data processors, input-output processor, DMA controller, and multiprocessors or GPU, etc. Computer architecture can be classified into both hardware architecture as well as software architecture, or the instruction set architecture, that is what to do on a computer, and microarchitecture, how to implement an instruction on a computer. Let us now understand about computer design. Computer design is concerned with the hardware design of the computer. It is also called as implementation of a computer. The computer design focuses on look and feel of the computer and its hardware units. Computer design talks about what hardware to be used and how they need to be connected. Based on the design perspective of stored programming concept and modern computer architecture, design of a computer can be classified as von Neumann architecture as well as Harvard architecture. Most often, the differences between computer architecture and computer organization appear in the main exam question paper. Computer architecture is the preliminary phase of computer design. And we all know that computer organization as well as computer design is a part of computer architecture. Computer architecture deals with the logical part, which includes software, whereas computer organization only deals with the hardware part. Instruction set architecture, memory optimization, and other high-level design issues are a part of computer architecture, whereas designing of hardware circuits, peripheral devices, and their interfacing and other low-level design issues are a part of computer organization. Computer architecture focuses on the operating principles, data formats, data paths, data processing, storage, and functionality of the computer. Computer organization focuses on arrangement, organization, structuring, interconnection of functional units of a computer. Prioritizing the hardware based on their internal connections and ensuring they work as per they are intended are dealt in computer architecture. Structuring the placement of components externally and testing the behavior of a connected computer system is dealt in computer organization. To make our life easy and put it in generic terms, computer architecture, computer organization, and computer design may be treated as similar as to a construction of a house. Computer architecture is almost as same as the civil engineering architecture, where planning the layout of a house is done. Computer organization is like organizing the rooms, that is, structuring and placing the bedrooms, hall, kitchen, and washrooms. Computer design is almost similar to design of interiors and exteriors of a house. I request you all to press on the bell icon to subscribe my channel Tech Curious and request you to like, share, and comment.